Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix your sound problems on your Nintendo Switch when it's stuck. So let's go ahead, jump to the video right now. So just on the home screen of the Switch, let's go down to System Settings and just check this setting. Now scroll on down all the way to TV Settings, and then go to the right and scroll on down until you get to TV Sound. Now go ahead and select automatic, unless you want to go ahead and put it specifically to like your sound bar. Now stereo will be both speakers and mono will be one speaker essentially. So I would highly suggest just putting it to automatic. So then you can do a quick sound test right here, just to see if it's working. I hear some sound come through. Now another thing you can do is go into your TV settings. So I have a Samsung TV. Let's go ahead and just turn up the volume and just check to see we have this up and up. Perfect. I can see it's around 25, 26, and I can hear the clicking. Make sure it's not muted by pressing the mute button. Over here you can see it's muted and unmuted. Make sure it's not muted. Then go to the menus under here. Now let's scroll on down to sound and then go to the right. And then let's go over to the speaker settings right here. Then we want to go ahead and select our speaker. Now you may have an external sound bar, and if I go ahead and click on this, I won't be hearing any sound coming through my TV. And if my sound bar is off, I won't be hearing anything coming through the sound bar. So go ahead and select your speakers. Maybe just try putting it to the TV speakers to see if it works. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and go back, and then go down to the support section here, and then go to the right. Then we can go to self-diagnose right here and select this. Then we can go down to sound test, and this will perform a test of your TV sound. It says perform this test when you experience a problem with the sound on your TV. So I am experiencing a problem. Let's go to this. I hear a bunch of sound playing. All you have to do is go over to yes if you can still hear it. Perfect. If you have any additional problems, go ahead and call Samsung apparently. So just go ahead and try out and make sure you have those sound settings on, etc. If this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.